how to fix Pinterest login problem without VPN. So if you open up your Pinterest application and if you try to log into your account and if you're facing a problem with login, then what you can do is you can simply open up your settings at first. And once you open your settings, you can scroll down and here you can go for apps. And under your apps, you can go for see all apps and go for the search icon, which will be on the upper right. And here you can search for Pinterest. And once you search for Pinterest, here you will have storage and cache option. Simply tap on storage and cache and then go for clear cache. And after clearing your cache, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that and you can simply hold on to that power button. And once you hold on to the power button, here you will have restart option. So you can simply tap on restart and restart your device. So once you restart, your problems might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply check your internet connection. So sometimes if you don't have stable internet connection, then you may find a problem with login. So check your internet connection and you can again go to the login and you can log into your Pinterest. So that's it. That's how you fix your Pinterest login problem without the VPN. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.